I made a lot of work, some details too, and yeah, let's take a look what we have now. So the first you will notice the valve covers are back on. They look so nice, new paint, but nothing special to say here. The intake manifold is back on also, bolted on already. The distributor is back in. I hope I catch the right position on this one. The water pump is back in, the damper is back in, the fuel pump is back in. Then let's go to that side. Something I changed is this coolant pipe. Usually it's connected here on this position, but then it goes down here. You have it, this one here, and if you go from here right up, for my taste, it's too much, it's bent too much. That's why I took it on that side. I'm much happier with that like that. What's more, the spark plugs are back in. I took different ones. This here with that number, they can handle more power, which is great of course. And the front bracket is back in also. Everything bolted up. One thing about the oil pan you saw yesterday, it was so much dirt inside. It was really nasty how the oil was looking. Here you can still, I need to clean that too. It was really bad. So it was so bad oil. I think it was because the car was standing for such a long time, and it was really necessary to take the oil pan off. But it will be a nightmare to put it back in. One thing I want to note, I told you yesterday, it looks like there are some metal parts, and it was really metal parts, but it was from the old timing chain. I even found a piece. I don't find it anymore. No. I even found a piece from the old chain, and so we definitely know there was a timing chain failure. So yeah, now I will just go ahead, have a lot of fun. After a lot of work, I'm a bit further now. Sadly, I didn't make any videos because I need to focus on the work. It's getting cold outside, the snow is coming closer, so I really need to be done soon. But you can take a look here. The radiator is back in, AC back in, generator back in, power steering also, all the belts are back in. The oil pan is back in too. What we have here, the new PEVR valve from TTA Performance, also mounted already. The next thing I will do here is reinstall the distributor cap and the ignition wires, and then it will be ready to take the carb and the turbo. About the turbo, we need to take a look now. I have here, I think it's stage 3 or 5, I'm not really sure. turbo from TTA Performance. If we compare here, look, it looks really nice compared to the old one. It's a really nice part. You can see the turbine wheel is slightly upgraded here. That is so cool. And it even looks so cool. You even have the TTA logo here. That looks so great. It cannot really focus, but that looks great. So that's really great. I cannot wait to see that thing in action. So let's go ahead and put everything together. Turbo is installed. It was easier than I expected. Some things here. Here we have the manual boost controller. This one I also got from TTA Performance. I also have a steel braided line here for the oil, and about this one I'm not too happy. I had big luck. I was screwing it down there. You know, it goes all the way down there. Yeah, it goes all the way down there, and was bolting it down, and luckily it points to the right direction. But if it would be not like that, then I had to loosen it there, and that would be so difficult. I mean, you see the screw, it's almost impossible to reach. So I'm very happy that this one is just pointing to the right direction. Yeah. Now I will go ahead and install the carburetor.